Good morning folks, welcome back to my channel. And in the last video we have already changed the speedometer cable, but despite doing that the speedometer is not really working and it's still stuck at 6500 kilometers. So there are a few issues. The speedometer cable is actuated by a set of worm and wheel arrangement. The wheel is placed on the brake drum itself, so in case something happens to it you have to take out the brake drum and you have to replace that. So while I was testing the entire setup I learned that there was some problem over there only. So first doubt obviously was that the worm was kind of damaged, so I tried to replace that too, but it didn't really work out well. So finally I came to the conclusion that the worm's wheel was not really in a proper shape, and it's something that you can't really do it on your own. So I have come over here at Saurashtra Auto Welding Works. They are the lathe shop basically in Gandhidham, and pretty nice people too. So today we'll be learning how actually you have to replace the worm wheel and get your speedometer working again. So
कौन है यहाँ पे? गया हाँ गाड़ी में गया था अभी। तू इधर आ इधर।
अच्छा, इसीलिए उधर रॉड वेल्ड किया है ना, ये सही इंतजाम है।
छोटी वाली
निकल गया।
फाड़ के दिखाओ क्या? क्या बोल रहा है?
It's not really mandatory, but it's always a good idea to clean this entire area, and along with that replace the worm too, as the older worm might would have got damaged, and since I was using the metallic ones, so it was not really a good idea to continue with that, as that may would have further continued the era of damage on this one too. So we'll be replacing that with the plastic one that's from the original manufacturers. And before doing that we'll simply be first fixing the wheel into its socket, and that obviously has to take place after the cleaning that area. So let's clean that first. Okay, so we have got grease, and we'll be applying a little amount of it along the worm wheels profile. Once the wheel is placed, now tighten the bolt. So the wheel is fixed, the actuating wheel for the worm has also been fixed, and now we have to place back the worm. So that's not really a difficult task, you have already seen it on my channel. So that would be all folks, till the next time, stay tuned, build it, ride it.